Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna need to remote your partner. Just mango, and in this mango you're gonna be needing just the seed. Okay, you can see I have a ripe mango, but if your mango is not ripe, it's actually very preferably. Okay, now how you're gonna do that is that you're gonna extract all of the mango mix, just remaining the seeds. So what you're gonna do is to get a very big bowl, and then you pour in water. Now you have to then take the mango seed into the bowl. stir it. Alright, so the bowl you're gonna use shouldn't be something in the kitchen. It should be something that you use in your bathroom. Okay, for this is something I use in the kitchen. I'm just doing this so I could show you guys. Okay, but I'm not going to be sitting over this. So after you mix the mango seed into the water, then you put in 1 tablespoon of salt, okay, into the large quantity of water, and then you stir the water. Okay, the water has to be very warm, so as the flame or the heat of the water will come out. Okay, so after stirring this all up, what you do is that you sit over this. Okay, now you're not going to drink it, you're not going to rub it, you're just going to sit your buttocks over this, and the flame or the heat that comes out of this mix is just going to go directly into your vijay, and it's going to kill every yeast infection. It's going to tighten up your vijay. It's going to make you smell really good. Alright, the mango seed alone is going to help you so much in doing that. So that's basically how you're going to do that. And if you want to repeat this, you can actually repeat it once in a week or twice in a week, depending on if you're having a loose vijay. Okay, but if you're not having a loose vijay, you just want to get rid of yeast infection, or you want to smell really well, then you can use it once in a week. Just sit over this and let it heat. Don't rub it on your vijay, don't wash with it, just sit over it. Okay, let the heat that comes out of the water, get into your body, and your problem is solved. Basically, that's what you need. Okay.